Soldiers, if you are feeling bored, frustrated, or sleepy looking at the charts today, good. That is exactly what the market maker wants. We are currently in a no man's land. The price is moving sideways, trapping anyone foolish enough to use high leverage. But while Bitcoin sleeps, a massive danger is lurking on the Ethereum chart, and the fear index has hit a historic low. We need to dissect the silence before the storm hits. Standard protocol applies. This is not financial advice. In a sideways market, capital preservation is your only job. Do not gamble. Now let's look at the trap. Look at the Bitcoin 1-hour chart. This is the definition of a chop zone. See these yellow lines I marked? The market pushes up just enough to liquidate the early shorts, then dumps back down. Then it pushes down just enough to stop out the early longs and pumps back up. We are range bound between $69,000 and $71,000. Taking a trade inside this zone is not trading, it is gambling. The strategy here is boring but effective. Wait for the breakout. We need a clean candle close outside of these blue boxes to pick a direction. The liquidation heatmap confirms why we are stuck. We are literally sandwiched. We have a wall of short liquidations above $70,000 and we have a wall of long liquidations below $68,000. The price is ping-ponging between these levels. Until one side runs out of ammo, we stay here. Now zoom out. This is where the smart money operates. Look at the fear and greed index. It is at 9. That is extreme fear. Soldiers. The price is at $69,000, yet the crowd is terrified. Usually, extreme fear at these price levels is a massive accumulation signal, and the Bitcoin rainbow chart backs this up. We are deep in the blue accumulate zone. So, while the 1-hour chart is boring, the macro chart says we are still cheap. Do not let the boredom shake you out of your spot positions. However, we have one major problem. I warned you yesterday about the ETH/BTC bear flag. Look what happened. We got rejected exactly from the resistance I showed you, and now we have crashed back down to the support line. This is critical. We are sitting on the edge of a cliff. If this bear flag pattern plays out and we break this bottom yellow line, altcoins will bleed heavily. We must see a bounce here. If Ethereum loses this support, the boring market will turn into a bloody market very fast. Watch this level like a hawk. Soldiers, the orders are simple. Bitcoin, it is sweeping liquidity. Do not trade the chop. Wait for a breakout above $71,000 or a breakdown below $68,000. Psychology, the crowd is in extreme fear. 9. This is usually a buying opportunity for long-term holders. Ethereum, the bear flag is active. We are at the last line of defense. Caution is required. Final order, patience pays. Let the impatient lose their money so we can take it later. Stay disciplined, stay liquid, smash the subscribe button to survive the chop. War room, dismissed.